All right, so we're here at one of our commercial jobs that's being close to finished up. We're kind of waiting on cranes to be set and get some more equipment in here once the cranes are set, so we're kind of done at this point. But I wanted to give you a quick little tour of what my guys have done, and it looks so good. So we have an 800 amp, 3-phase, 277 480 panel, main bottom fed, feeding 150 kVA transformer, step down from 480 3-phase to 120 208 3-phase with a neutral to a 400 amp single phase panel, 3-phase panel. And then we've got some conduits out roughed in to this center section here, where the guys that did the footer and the concrete work, they stubbed up some conduits already because they want to set their machinery out here in the middle. So you got one there, one there, one there, one out there. Look, it's just a little crooked. We're not going to say anything. We didn't do it. It's on them. They installed all of these lights here. We tried to go ahead and get measurements so it's high enough to pass the crane. They're on jack chains, so if that has to be adjusted, it's not a huge deal. We've got receptacles on the purlins as it goes down, just kind of convenience outlets. I think we put 2 or 3 per circuit because they weren't sure what they were going to do. So we kind of put what they want, and we kind of give direction as we can. Over here, a 480 circuit set up to feed this big air compressor. Instead of taking everything up, we took a lot of stuff out and behind and built a little rack to slide it in behind to get to the bottom side of this purling to come out and drop our conduits out of. It's pretty neat, I think, how we did it. We stopped the box a little short. We dropped the 90 out. And then we used beam clamps with unistrut to put them a receptacle on, so that we're not drilling or self-tapping to this guy. I mean, some people will be like, "Oh, just weld you a piece on there. That's all you got to do." Well, we don't weld. We don't do a whole lot of that stuff. And this, it's just as good, better in my opinion. But I like the way it turned out. Looks real good. Oh, let me take you outside real quick and show you the service that we built outside. It's just a CT cabinet and a meter, underground conduits. Okay, so I can't remember if it's 600 or 800 and up requires a 4-foot CT cabinet here in our jurisdiction. And so we are 800 amp. So we had to get a 4-foot junction box, or a CT cabinet. So inside there are the little CT meters and the wire that comes from the pole through this ditch over to that pole and up to the transformers. It comes in parallel here, comes inside, then it goes through some CTs into our bottom fed panel on the inside. And all that takes place in the box itself. And those current transformers, they're just round things that measure the amperage, have wires on those that report the amperage to this meter. Keeps track of what this company owes the electric company. It's always too much if you ask me. But anyway, just wanted to share that with you all. I'm really proud of these guys and their conduit bends and hanging the lights and building the service and all that stuff. Have a good day.